What do you have there, Jake?
Of everything. Spider shooter.
The rules are, Jake, no shooting it at people, okay?
I know that. Mommy told me that. Can I sit on it with my jammies on?
Yeah, you can sit on there with your jammies on. What do you have in your trailer there, Dill? What are those? Tools. That's just tissue paper. Okay, point it. Show them how to do it. Point it out toward the sun, Ray.
Hold on. Put it out here.
You only use one. You only need one hand, I think.
You pull up like this. How
Whoa.
cool is that, Jake?
Now you have to be able to put it on yourself. See how it goes on?
I don't need this. I don't need this.
No, you don't need the tissue paper, right? Push it all the way until it clicks, Jake. There you go.
There you
Now
go.
come on back.
So it's just like.
Whoa!
Be careful where you're pointing it, mister. That's pretty cool.
That was really cool.
It's just like Spider-Man, how it goes like this, right? Right? You done with that for a little while? Here, let's put it back together.